Hey guys, my name is Happy and I am doing the Amazon review of my packaging that already come like 10 minutes ago. Okay, so this is a very big box that I get. Anyways, the first thing that I get is this spray bottle. It's so pretty in the color pink. Yeah, in the very good color. You guys can also get one of this. It's so pretty. Anyway, so also I get my diffuser. The diffuser is so pretty. It's this one. It's like a Italian quality. It's so pretty. I really try to connect it. It's so pretty. So just is this one for curly hair, and you can also have like for drier hair. But this one is basically for drier hair. It's this one. I think they look like the Dyson. Yes. So just so it's so pretty. Again in color pink too. Like I get actually everything color pink actually. Anyway, and this is my brush, my curly hair brush. You guys can get one of this too. It's so pretty, and the name is no Victor. Is this one? You guys can see that. It's for curly hair. It's so pretty. They come in this little packaging, but I already opened it, so that's why. And I don't want to try now, but I'm going to try it later. Like how it look like, cause my hair is so dry now, so that's why. I don't know how to use it. I never used one of this before. I think you guys have to use like this. I think, like, and they roll to your hair, and then after your hair gonna be yeah, but my hair doesn't work now because my hair is so dry, so that's why. So they come in this little packaging. I want to put it back after. Anyway, so I'm trying to connect my diffuser to try how to use, okay? As you guys can see, I want to try it. But I have to say something that I think is, okay, I don't want to be rude, but I don't want to lie too. So, my connector for my diffuser can run. So look at the thing. These are so thick. I swear to God, they are so thick. Like this part of this is so thick. But this one, oh my gosh, they have like a very big teeth in the edges. So why do I have to do that with a nail? I don't know what they call, cause I speak Arabic, so that's why. Anyway, so with this thing, I passed like 10 minutes doing that, trying to fill into my connector. Bro, you have to make something good, bro. Please, I don't want that another people to, I don't know, maybe like a very people, they want this. Like for a really long time. They are wishing for this. They're kind of like that. And they don't know how to do that. Because I'm intelligent. I didn't know how to do that. I was like, yeah, I know, right? And I spent time. It's not kind of feeling yet, but it's kind of. So, yeah. And I'm gonna open my water bottle to see you guys how it is. This is a normal water bottle, and this is another normal thing. So yeah, so I think it's like that. I really buy this like for no reasons. I think because my hair is wavy, yeah. Like it's for definition. So I love you. Yes, I like it. And this is my water bottle, but I don't have like water. Yeah, but I have to take water later. But I also have to review this thing. Because it's shocking, you know. Because when you have like normal teeth, they come like, oh my gosh, they come like so freaking weird. I see it like one time. Oh my gosh, so hard to open this. Oh, they come like that. Look at this piece. Oh my gosh. Okay, they also have like the tail here to pull it up. Look at. Okay. It's so small, bro. It's literally so small. I was thinking it was so big. I mean, not big, but like, okay, this is small. Okay, okay, okay. I wanna take water, and as you guys can see, this thing you have to do it like a lot of time for work. Because I was doing this like a little bit, it was like, yo, this is not working, but this actually work. Look at.
I thought all dogs were boys and all cats were girls. And people told me, I found out.
So that's what I have. Anyway, so that's what I have now. My diffuser. Oh my gosh, the lines on my camera. My diffuser, my curly stuff. And tomorrow I'm gonna to reviewing my wash. So bye. As you guys can see, I was talking about like a very good product. I really like it. I like this more. I spend money in this, and I have another. But like it's when I travel, you know, because another one is big, so bye. Have a good night, guys. Sunday.
Mama. Mama.